Hello! Welcome to Graceful Grammar Lessons. What are tenses? Tenses are verb forms that indicate when an action takes place, in the past, present, or future. They help communicate the timing and duration of events. Primary tenses. First, present tense. Describes current actions or habitual events. Simple present. I walk to work every day. Present continuous. I am walking right now. Present perfect. I have walked 5 miles this week. Second, past tense. Describes completed actions. Simple past. She visited Paris last summer. Past continuous. They were studying when I called. Past perfect. He had finished his homework before dinner. Third, future tense. Describes actions that will happen. Simple future. I will travel next month. Future continuous. She will be working at 9 p.m. Future perfect. By next year, I will have completed my degree. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a lesson.